Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to bridge Hype token to HyperEVM Network. First, let's go to hyperliquid.xyz website. It is the official website of this platform. Okay, let's enter the platform site. Now, we are on the Hyperliquid trading platform. As you can see, I've already bought Hype token before. If you want to buy, you need to execute order on spot pair. Remember to buy Hype on Hype USDC pair with the green spot note next to it. Okay, let's bridge Hype token to HyperEVM Network. Go down to Balances section and find Transfer to or from EVM button, then click it. Default option is Spot to EVM. You can always click on it if you would want to transfer Hype back from EVM to Spot account. We obviously will go with Spot to EVM option as on the screen. Now let's click on Hype on this drop-down menu. And let's put the amount we want to bridge. I will go with the max amount I have on the Hyperliquid platform. Once you are ready, click Confirm. Now, we only need to confirm the signature on MetaMask pop-up. Hype has been transferred. Let's check if we have it on the HyperEVM network. Go to MetaMask and change network to HyperEVM. Keep in mind that you might need to add the network by yourself. I have already uploaded a tutorial on my channel. As you can see, Hype is already on my wallet, so I'm ready to explore the ecosystem with my tokens. By the way, if you want to trade on Hyperliquid with discount on fees, check link in the description. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.